This step-by-step tutorial will walk you through how to make a pumpkin-shaped Halloween trick-or-treat bag for this year's candy. You can download the free pattern for this by following the link in the description below. It is completely free. You don't even need to give me your email address or anything. Start by applying interfacing to all of the pumpkin pieces. Now you want to baste the black piping to the side pumpkin pieces along the inner curves. Sew the pumpkin pieces together, sandwiching the piping. Press the seam towards the center. Make sure to do that for both sides of the pumpkin bag. Now we want to get the side strip ready for your pumpkin trick-or-treat bag. Apply interfacing to the side bag. Now you want to hem it on both sides. Sew the side bag around the pumpkin to the front and back pieces. The side strip will not go all the way around and should have a gap at the top of the pumpkin bag. After sewing, you want to turn the bag to the right side. To finish that upper lip, add some single fold bias tape. First, sew it to the front with right sides together. And then turn it over to the back and top stitch. Now all that's left to do is add the pumpkin handle. And now you're finished. You have a cool pumpkin-shaped trick-or-treat bag for this Halloween's candy.